Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 14 December to 20th December. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Gemini, so keep whatever resonates. So in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself in this week in your career, business or money situation, or what challenges or obstacles you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start Gemini. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well. So Gemini, general energy, spirits and guides, universe and guides. Please guide Gemini's general energy, career, business, money situation. Spirits and guides from 14 to 20th December, spirits and guides, angels and guides. Please guide Gemini's general energy. So let's see. Five of Swords, Ace of Pentacle, the Moon, Six of Swords, Two of Swords, Four of Pentacle and Ten of Pentacle. So Gemini, what I see here in this week, it's a lot about communications, it's about collaborations, it's about interactions, it's about bond with you and the people you work with, or intimate bonds with family people that will help you be stable and at peace, and you'll feel happy and joyous. You give importance at this week, you will be giving importance to your family bonds too. With love, with your gestures of love, with your gestures of showing love, and they will reciprocate too. There is definitely money coming in for some of you here. Ace of Pentacle, a resource or a money coming to you here. Some of you here, Ace of Pentacle, very nice card, beautiful. So it could be a sudden gain of money, or something you have worked for, which it just came at the right time as a blessing here. Or it could be resources, but you have the Five of Swords also. So Five of Swords, it's like in a certain situation, it could be in your personal life, it could be in your professional life. There could be people who could trigger your anger, stress. So you need to deal this with calmness, with maturity, with ease. Do not get into there could be ego issues, ego battle. So just handle this situation with ease. A little conflicting situation with diplomacy and tact, it will resolve here. No getting into arguments, no counter argument. Just leaving leaving the situation. It will be solved by itself. Even if you find out the person who triggers you, who triggered you, just talk out to them in a very peaceful manner. Do not make enemies, because that's again with that, do not make enemies. It doesn't help. So be diplomatic. That's what I would tell here. Yes, there is journey for some of you here. Six of Swords. Some of you are going for holiday. Some of you are thinking of relocating somewhere to a new destination, to a new city, or a new it's a far off journey that I can see here. And some of you are moving towards calmer shores, towards better waters. That's what I said. It could be a journey of your mind from a stressful situation to a better situation now in this week. Maybe last week wasn't that great for some of you, so you are moving from the moon situation to the calmer shores here. This is your card. I think you cannot see the cards. Okay, so this is your card. Moving from certain fears or certain things, you are moving into calmer shores. That's what I feel here. Definitely travel will be beneficial for you here. Two of Swords. There could be a decision, Gemini, which you will need to make here. It could be regarding your personal professional life, but here you need to understand, you need to make a head over heart decision. Use your mind, use your brain. Do not make impulsive emotional decisions here. So logical thinking, head over heart decision is what you have to make. It could be regarding finances, it could be regarding family, it could be regarding your job situation also, something, but it could be an emotional decision. That's why it's like head over heart. Something you're very attached to, you need to make a decision about that. But you have to make a logical decision. You will here, it seems that you will be making lot of investments. You will be using your resources judiciously and not overspend. That's what I find here. Emotionally, I mean financially, you will be in a stable position, Gemini, this week. 10 of Pentacle you have. So either investing your family money, or investing your family money, or there could be expenditure related to your extended family, your family here. Yeah, so I also see that a little expenditure, buying, shopping, going out with family, planning holidays, everything. So it could burn a hole in your pocket. That's what I see here, Gemini. But yes, overall it's a joyful week, a peaceful week with with your people you work with, and even at home. Some of you are making investments in different sources. It could be some of you buying shares in markets, some of you planning to buy an apartment, or you might buy, December month you might buy a second home. And into real estate investments you could do that, or putting money for a fixed deposit, or banks, bonds, shares, all that I get here. So money also coming in from various sources. You have the Ace of Pentacles, so sudden money coming in as a blessing. If you were conflicted about a certain situation, if that was giving you a stress, so you will see that if finances stress, that will be resolved here. With the Five of Swords, if you were stressed about this situation, this triggered your stress, you will see it resolved. And you money coming from, again, as I told you, I don't need to repeat, rental, buying, share market, bonds, farming, yeah, so all these aspects covered here. This week is hectic, active, but you will feel good about it. So this is it. Let me just pull out an angel guidance card. Sorry. Angel guidance for Gemini. Okay, let's see here. Cheer up. So this is a beautiful card. Live in the moment. So beautiful card, Gemini. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and stay blessed.